Ba weep grana weep nini bong. This is Ben, and we're gonna be unboxing Misfire with Aimless over there. One of the Decepticon Target Masters. Yes. Croc says hi. Hello. Okay. Anyway, let's just open him up. I wasn't really gonna get any more of these guys, but because of the whole Grimlock thing and the fact that I had to get Croc. I had to get him because he was part of the ScAvengers in the IDW comic. So let's cutting him out. I know you can't see it, but that's boring anyway. And here we go. Freedom! Woo, there's his card. Focus on it. Can you see it? No, doesn't matter. Okay, here's the instructions, but who needs instructions? Toss. Okay, over there. Why is his face so white? Yeah, why in the world is his face kind of like white over there and like it's just black in here? Okay. It's like, what color is this? Pink? Magenta? Fuchsia? Not sure. It's he's all of the same color. He needs more to break him up. Oh, should I have not cut that? Out. Okay, that's falling out. What else is sticking you in here? Oh, your foot. Free. Kick out. Hands out. Whoosh. Out there. All right. Hello. Oh, this is just here so that his head stays on. Ah! Okay. How do you get out? I said out. Why are you heading off in the wrong direction? Oh, look, it's easy. It came out easily. Thank goodness. Yeah, I was worried because like Croc's head just came off. Wrong. Sucked. But, you know. What can you do? Transforming without instructions. How do you get this thing out? Around the... Where do you put in there? Oof. Jeebers. Is this what's giving me trouble? Okay. There. Hello, Misfire. And Aimless. Aimless is his head. There. Hi. I'm friends with, Grimlock. Kind of. And I'm a scavenger. Where's your guns? Right. Really pink. Fuchsia? I don't know the colors. Ooh. Okay. So this becomes a thing so that he can, what is that? So some guy can ride it. Ha 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 ha. Ooh, okay, that's sweet. His head can ride it. Focus, you're not gonna focus? That's better. His head can ride it. Okay. Go ride your tiny thing. Yeah. Zoom. Okay, let's transform you. Blind transformation because we did not get the instructions. I guess this is the front. Oh, okay, that's easy. Oh, wait. Okay. What? So, this goes in? No? Does it go? No? What? Wait. Oh, okay. I think. Goes like this. That's not right. Wait. Other way? No? Turn? Oh! Aha! Excitement! How did I do that again? Okay, here, and turn. Oh, you turn over there. Go. Okay, now it's wrong. What did I do wrong? Blitz! What? No. I'm not gonna look at instructions! Fine. If it's like this... I guess I was right? Is that right? Okay, fine, let's put the... Oh, wait, okay, ha. So arms go like this. Oh, Okay. And did they go forward or did they go backward? Murph! Jeez, blind transformation stuff. Okay, so I'm sure that goes there. And then this thing goes to the back. Oh, jeez, there's how the picture looks like. Okay. So, looking at the picture over there, this goes like this. Yes! It's... I just unpegged the foot. The leg. Where did these feet go? Inside? Oh, they do go inside. Oh. Fine. Okay, so they go inside like this. And, now what? I am being defeated by Misfire. No! Jeez! Okay, there we go. And then there we go. This thing goes like this, and it pegs over here. And, oh, did I put the hands in? Yeah, okay. Here, here, here. Here. And all of those there? Oof. Huh, that's okay. I guess that's almost that. I almost got it. That's fine. Put this thing over there, and it looks like a funny jet mode. Get in there. How do you slot this in? Where do you slot it in? Oh, here. Here? Let's try to put in the wings. Okay. Kinda cool. Just too many of one color. Look, I'm a leg. Boink. Never mind. Okay, Misfire, this bed. It opens up! Cool! Okay, go. Okay, get in there, aimless. It's kind of a stumpy jet. One color only. Stickers. That's okay. God, I struggled with the transformation. And I guess that's it. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. You can see the body right over there. Whoosh. I think I would have, like, changed some colors a bit. And let's see if he's gonna play with Grimlock later on, if I can find him. And I guess that's it. Bye. See yas. Boop boop. This is Misfire.